Step 1. Eligibility requirements. In Tennessee, armed guards are regulated by the Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance through private protective services. To qualify, you must be at least 21, be a U.S. citizen or legal resident, pass a fingerprint-based background check, and meet the state's criminal history standards. Certain felony convictions and some misdemeanors can disqualify you. Tennessee also has assignment-specific rules. If you work at a location that serves alcohol, you must complete additional training within 15 days. And for certain school assignments, an 8-hour active shooter course is required before you can work that post. The armed registration is issued to you and is portable between employers. Step 2. Do you need an unarmed license first? No. In Tennessee, the armed registration stands on its own. If you hold an armed guard registration, you can work both armed and unarmed posts. You can go straight into the armed process. Some training providers bundle unarmed material into the course, but the state doesn't require a separate unarmed license first. I made a video on how to get a security guard license in Tennessee for that process if you want to check it out. Step 3. Tennessee doesn't require a separate handgun carry permit for armed security licensing. The firearm training and qualification are built directly into the armed guard process. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete the required armed training. Tennessee requires 3 parts: 4 hours of general security training, 8 hours of classroom firearms instruction, and 4 hours of range training with a minimum passing score of 70%. That's about 16 hours total. Step 5. Use a state-certified trainer. Your training is valid for 1 year and instructors must submit your completion within 15 days. If you wait too long to apply, you may have to redo it. If you want help navigating the security industry, I've got tools and guides on guardguides.com and my Etsy store. Links are in the description. Step 6. Complete fingerprinting through IdentoGO. Tennessee requires a background check using ORI number TN920120Z. Fingerprints are valid for 6 months, so don't get printed and wait too long to apply. Step 7. Submit your application through Tennessee's core system. This is done by you, not your employer. You can't work armed while your application is pending. You must wait until your registration is issued. Step 8. Timeline. Realistically, expect about 2 to 6 weeks depending on how fast you complete training, fingerprints, and submission. Training is valid for 1 year and fingerprints 6 months. Those are application deadlines, not renewals. Once approved, your license runs on a separate cycle. Step 9. Let's break down the cost. Training costs vary, but starting from scratch, it's $160 to $180 for training, $39.15 for fingerprinting, and $130 for the application fee. The total is about $329 to $429. If the training is bundled, you can expect a deduction of $20 to $50 from that cost, depending on the provider. These totals may vary and don't include the cost of firearm, duty belt, holster, spare magazine, ammunition, or other gear. And for perspective, the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows the median wage for guards in Tennessee is $17.35 an hour. Armed guards average around $19.46 per hour based on Indeed data. Step 10. Once approved, your armed registration is valid for 2 years. To renew, you'll need 4 hours of refresher training and passing range requalification. Starting in 2026, Tennessee requires an enhanced endorsement if you want to carry shotguns or rifles on duty. Now that you're certified, start applying for armed positions. For security career resources, visit guardguides.com or check out my Etsy store. Join the community at r/guardguides on Reddit to compare pay and experiences across states. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.